Welcome back to the Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to change out your toner quickly on a Xerox VersaLink C400 C405. Let's get to it. First thing you're going to want to do is open the front cover. Right on the front will be all your toners. We're going to be changing the black one. It's the one at the bottom that's got a black handle. Now to take it out, it's pretty simple. You just squeeze the handle and pull straight out. So take your new toner, come in a box like this. It'll be taped, so you get your pocket knife out and cut that tape because everybody's got a knife on them nowadays, right? No. Anyway, you'll open the box and there's your new toner right there. So, on your new toner, a couple notes. Some toners have one white gear on the side and some toners have 3 white gears on the side. That doesn't matter. All that means is one is a higher capacity toner than the other, and those gears just run augers that are inside of this box, and they will work no matter what. So to go back in, put your toner right side up, put it right in front of the hole that it goes into, and you push straight in. Sometimes it can be kind of hard to push. You'll close your front cover until it clicks. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.